Okay, welcome to the next tutorial. So today we're going to be making an Erlenmeyer flask. So we will start by deleting the default cube. We're going to go to add a circle, scale it outwards, and then we'll come to edit mode, F to fill, E to extrude, scale outwards. I'm just going to put this on the side right here. Let's press 1. So we can see what we're doing. As we will go to E, scale it outwards, E for extrude, scale it outwards. You want to make it nice and bulb-like at the bottom. E for extrude, and then we're going to start to scale inwards just slightly. And then we will go extrude all the way up. And then we want to scale inwards. And then, sorry, 1 second. E for extrude, again, just to kind of bevel the glass a little bit. Just scale it inwards, just slightly. E for extrude. At this point, you can just bring this straight up. E for extrude, go outwards slightly. E for extrude. And then we can come outwards again. E for extrude, outwards, E for extrude, and then we will start to come inwards towards the top. So if I just put this on X-ray so you can see what's going on the inside, because we will be coming back on the inside. We could go E for extrude, keep it where it is, scale it inwards, so you've got a little bit of a top. E for extrude, scale it inwards. And then we're going to start going inside the glass. So we can go E for extrude, scale inwards just a little bit more, and then go straight down into the glass, scaling and making sure that there's a slight gap between the edge and where you're placing the inside vertices. Just going to scale that one outwards just a little bit. Make sure it's a little bit thicker at the bottom. Scale outwards, and then we're going to go E, scale outwards, E, scale outwards just slightly, and then we will start to bring this back in. And then for the bottom of the glass we can take, let's take this off X-ray mode just for 1 second. We can go E for extrude, scale it inwards, and then E for extrude, scale it inwards again, so that we've got this kind of little bevel just going on in the bottom. And then once we've got the glass the way that we have it, we can go back onto object mode, right click, shade smooth, and then we can go onto the principal BSDF, go to glass, and just take down the roughness. Now make sure that your render engine's from Eevee to cycles. And we should have a nice little glass going on. So I'm just going to add a plane at the bottom here, just so that you can see the glass a little better. Press G, bring it up. And that's it. That's the scientific glass for you. Basic kind of thing. You can add text to that as well. If you press add in the corner, you've got text just there. Yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one.